Here's a quick guide to essential information about registration with Social Care Wales. Social Care Wales maintains the Register of Social Care Workers in Wales. The register is a list of people who have shown they have the right values, skills and training to be a social care worker. It helps the public to know they can trust you and rely on you as a worker. Not all social care workers can register. Everyone who works as one of these roles in Wales must register. From April 2018, domiciliary care workers can apply to register. In order to practice in Wales, they must register by April 2020. There are many benefits to being registered with Social Care Wales. Being on the register builds trust and confidence, and it shows people you have the necessary skills and up-to-date knowledge to carry out your work. You will be recognised as a professional worker, giving you the status you deserve. This will also benefit the people you work with, knowing that they can expect high standards of care and support. You'll also be supported by the Code of Professional Practice for Social Care, formal practice guidance that describes good practice, information and resources that try to address some of the things that are important to you in your work, invitations to events, conferences and consultations. Everyone on the register must show they are appropriately qualified, physically and mentally fit to practice, have the character and competence to practice, agree to follow the Code of Professional Practice for Social Care and practice guidance, and that they intend to practice social care in Wales. If a worker can't show this, we can refuse registration or impose sanctions. The register is an online list of the social care workers registered to practice in Wales. SCW Online is our registration portal. It includes step-by-step guides on how to register. To start your application, visit scwonline.wales to create an account. As a part of this process, you'll need to upload documents, such as your verified qualification certificate, and choose the person to endorse your application. You will also be able to pay your registration fee. Once you are registered, you can use SCW Online to maintain your registration. You can update your information, such as changing your address, job details, personal and professional information, and renew your registration. You can also use SCW Online to keep an up-to-date online record of your post-registration training and learning. And for employers, SCW Online allows you to view and export a list of people registered at your organisation or university, endorse online applications to register or renew, and securely tell us about any changes or concerns. For more information or to start your registration, please visit socialcare.wales/registration.